I hope you are well. Happy Pride! This year for Pride, I wanted to make my hair trendy, colorful, and fun, so I thought I would make a little tutorial for you all. I'm partnering up with Got2b and using Head Turner, and this product makes the most amazing pastel colors without the commitment. I'm starting by parting my hair into two sections and spraying the pieces of hair with the colors Candy Cotton, which is the most amazing pink color, and the other color is Denim Blue. You can spray this on damp hair, but I'm actually spraying it on my dry hair and then combing through once the product is evenly distributed through the blonder parts of my hair. The application is really easy, and what's awesome about it is that it lasts up to 3 shampoos, so after that it goes back to your normal color and then you can try out all the other fun colors they have. This line is for blonde hair, and I actually have some lighter sections and lighter ends, so I'm going to apply it to those areas. If you're not blonde and you want to try this out, Got2b has a lightener that you can use as the first step. Once you're happy with the amount of product you put in your hair, you can blow dry it, and I was so amazed at the outcome. I am not used to having gorgeous, colorful hair like this. I'm also going to curl my hair with a straightener. I actually have a whole video up. I have a couple up on the channel, so if you want to check them out, I'll put them in the cards. But I quickly curl through 2 layers of my hair. When each section is curled, I use the Got2b Glam Force High Hold Hairspray, and guys, this is my new favorite hairspray. It is humidity resistant, which is perfect for where I live, and it provides a secure 48-hour hold. After I separate the curls a little bit, I'm going to put a very high little ponytail on the top of my head. Very Ariana Grande-esque. I love this. It creates a lot of volume to your hair. Just make sure that you run your fingers through the curls to create that added volume. Once my little ponytail is in place, I'm taking a little piece of hair and wrapping it around the hair tie. This just makes everything look so much more polished. You can fix up any little bits with the straightener if you want to add some extra curls, and then don't forget to add a little bit more hairspray. Pride is a very busy time, so you want to make sure your hair stays in place. Because it's Pride, I wanted to go the extra mile, so I'm taking some of the Got2b Glam Force Sculpting Gel and adding glitter to it. That is right, and I'm going to add this beautiful glittery gel all throughout the top of my hair. And this gel is absolutely perfect for events like Pride or any events you might have throughout the summer because it has a 24-hour hold. Anyway guys, that is my whole tutorial. I am so obsessed and I cannot wait to rock this style all weekend long and probably throughout the rest of the summer. I hope you're all having an amazing week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!